Hello John, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what you can use, how to use the header tag. So basically, the header tag doesn't do much as you may be expecting, but it's also very important to treat it while treating HTML tag because it is literally one of the latest release tags which are among the HTML semantic tags. So let's dive in and see how to use it in your code. So let's say now you have a folder, and then let me open a new folder and give it header, and then I should definitely want to open up this folder inside my code editor, give it some index.html, close this file and close this also, and in here I definitely want to bring out the normal HTML document. Probably name this header, and then let's say I have an article tag that contains the article. Maybe it contains my article, paragraph tag, Lorraine 10 or whatsoever. So let's say now this is the head of the, let's say this, I want to just add some little bit of heading, not this, h1, and then I just say about alumni. So you see how I let me say easily wrap the heading 1 inside a header tag. Maybe I want to give this heading 1 a little bit of more styling and probably maybe a background color and give it make it look more beautiful than the remaining part of the page. So that's the use of the header tag. I believe you understand possibly why you should use header tag, and we are going to, sometimes when you are building a complex web pages, the header tag, sometimes it's where you even nest your nav tag instead of just starting with a nav tag. Maybe just definitely want to create a header tag, and then in there you are going to just put some other tags which are the nav tag and others. So if you really like this video, I would like you to subscribe and see you in the next one.